Good morning and welcome to Market Watch Monday. Today we are looking at the top economic releases that will affect the markets this week. As this is the first week of the month, we expect releases of key data this week. The report from US labor sector for August. The US markets will be shut on Monday for Labor Day holiday. August manufacturing PMI reports from China, Germany, Eurozone and the United Kingdom will be the most important economic releases on Monday. Australia's second quarter current account balance, August inflation and GDP reports from Switzerland, and the US ISM August manufacturing PMI will be in focus on Tuesday. On Wednesday, focus will be on Australia's second quarter gross domestic product, series of services PMI releases for August from China, Germany, Eurozone and UK, US July trade balance, Bank of Canada's interest rate decision, US July job openings report, and American Petroleum Institute weekly crude oil stocks. Australia's July trade balance and a speech from RBA Governor Bullock will be in focus during Asian session on Thursday. Eurozone Germany and UK July construction PMI reports and Eurozone July retail sales will be closely watched during European session. US August ADP private sector payrolls, weekly jobless claims, August non-manufacturing PMI and Energy Information Administration's weekly crude oil inventories will be top economic events of the US session. German July industrial production and Eurozone second quarter's gross domestic product will take the center stage during European session on Friday. Ahead of key releases of the day, US August labor data, including non-farm payrolls, average earnings and unemployment rate. This concludes this week's Market Watch Monday. Don't forget to follow our page and tune in next Monday for your weekly overview of the most important financial news and releases.